All right, so let's say we've actually created a set of problems. We've used our preloaded strategies to test that set of problems. How do we go about analyzing this stuff? Well, one way you might be able to do this is to come down here at the bottom in Excel, grab our different strategies, and then maybe some set of results. So we're going to grab up to problem 16 here, and we'll dump that into another spreadsheet. And this is where Excel is just wonderfully powerful. So when you paste, you have to make sure you just paste the text only. All right. So here we've grabbed our different strategies. All right, and then here's our different utilities. Let's go grab our different problems here too. Let's give ourselves a little bit of space. Maybe if I can use Excel correctly, right? All right, let's flip back over to our other spreadsheet. So let's look at the problems that we grabbed. So here's 1 through, I think we said 16. Here's the problem we specified. So we'll paste those here. And drag those on top. Ah, good, that fits. And then we'll grab our different parameters. Throw those over here. I believe, yeah, these are all just empty cells. We'll get rid of those guys real quick. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to flip all this stuff around. So we're going to copy it, and then just down below it, we're going to paste and transpose. All right, and then we're going to ditch all this stuff here at the top. All right, so now here we have each of our different parameters, one in each column, right? And then we've got our, looks like maybe we only got 14. Yeah, it looks like we only got 13 of our strategies. Somehow we lost our do nothing strategy, but we know what that always is. That's always a 0. All right. So we've got all of our different strategies. We could use some conditional formatting here. So top and bottom rules, maybe top one item. Okay. So that'll help us know which one was our best strategy. So we can actually copy that and then just kind of go through here and paste that along our different rows. And that'll tell us in each row which was actually our best strategy when we're just kind of quickly looking at it. Do a little formatting cleanup here. All right. So here we have all of our different strategies and results, which ones look best. So what do we do to actually kind of analyze this? Well, we could actually come over here to the Data tab and click on this filter. And this is one of the ways that I found is really helpful to analyze this. So let's say we actually wanted to look at something with a really high volatility. So we'll only select the highest volatility number. What we can do is look at among the strategies that we tested, when the volatility is really, really high, what tends to be the strategy that gets picked up, all right? Or maybe instead of daytime volatility, maybe we want to look at, let's say, just really high order processing costs. So when the order processing costs, oh wow, look. So it looks like when order processing costs are high, strategy 6 always seems to be the best strategy. Huh. How about that? Maybe there's some other trends that we can kind of pick out. So when we use a order processing cost of 0, it looks like now strategy 10 is the best. Now, for some reason this one strategy 8 was a little bit better. What's the difference between those? Well, it looks like the overnight volatility is substantially different for this one observation versus the other 4. So we might be able to start to glean information using some of these Excel filters.